Hello everyone. Today, we are going to use an ITECH IT6000C and solar array software SAS1000 to demonstrate MPPT test of a PV inverter, which ranges from 270 volts to 950 volts. Now the hardware has settled, let us log in the software. Open ITECH software SAS1000. Set communication parameters. Click Enter and start test. There are up to 100 curves for you. We select a curve in the list, double-click the curve. Set curve parameters, regulations, materials, VMP, PMP. After setting, click Save. Click User Define. Set VOC, VMP, ISC, IMP and fill factor. After setting the PV curve, we set the temperature curve. SAS1000 has 10 built-in temperature curves. Click Create to define the temperature curve. Name the curve, set the irradiance, irradiance slope, temperature, temperature slope, and running time. Configure the parameters and click Add. Then edit and click Save when it is done. Now we click Output on, Off, and Start to output. Click Play. To execute MPPT, there is a warm time here. After the countdown is over, the MPPT test will start. We can also take pause, fast forward and other operations here if you need. Now we select Record to save the data. The relevant parameters during the test are saved in the form of a CSV file. When ITECH test is over, you can click Open Report to reach the folders where the data is saved. Click List Mode. You have two choices, Curve and User Define. Click Create, edit the parameters. Then click Create here and you have got a single-step waveform list. Repeat it, you will get more. There are two execute mode. First let us select sequence. Then choose the waveform you want in the execute cycle. Click Run to execute. Another mode is trigger. Choose the waveform you want. Click Run to execute. If you want to execute other waveforms, please click the flash mark on the left to trigger. Click Table Mode and click Import. Select a CSV fill. Select Program, Curve Number, Index, Operation Type, and Execute Time. Set, Loop, and Next Program. When it is all set, click Run. It will output the curves accordingly. Another way in table mode is point. In this way, you can set the voltage and current value manually. The number of value points ranges from 128 to 4096. You can edit the curves on computer and import it to SAS1000. Here we select the curve to be saved and click Import. Click Run, and it will output accordingly. SAS1000 also includes pre-compliant with regulatory standard for PV inverters. It is built in 5 MPPT test items. Static test, dynamic test and report export can be easily done for each item. Click Regulation. Set packs, material, and warm time. Set the period of static testing time. Then we set VMP level, include maximum and minimum voltage. Then click the blue button and select the VMP and PMP that you want. Now click Output on, off and the static test starts. If you want to do dynamic test, click Dynamic. Set packs, material, and warm time. Set VMP as you wish. Select the items you want to test. Click Output on, off to start the test. Now let us check how to export the test report. Click Report, and select the item you need. If you check the Display the report after testing, here in the report is generated automatically. If you don't check it, then it will automatically prompt the storage path of the report in your computer. Click Generate to start. Now we are talking about the shadow mode. SAS1000 has built-in various solar panel models for your choice. You can also customize the model. Click Create, edit the supplier and model, and some parameters such as voltage and current in the area of PV module define. When everything is done, save it. Then click Update. Click Color, and select a cloud shade color as you wish. If you need to change the temperature and irradiance, just enter the value accordingly. Next, let us set the serial and parallel number of PV modules. Here we set the serial number as 28, parallel number is 8. In the module below, we choose the shadow area. And set the moving direction, warm time, executing time and changing time here. Click Run to start the shadow simulation.
ITECH, your power testing solution.